Today we're going to replace the Samsung Note 20 Bloated battery. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the back cover. The reason why these batteries swell is because the electrolyte that separates the layers between the wrap degrades, and when that degrades, it changes into gas. Step 2. Remove the screws attached on the metal bracket. Step 3. Remove the wireless charging coil bracket carefully. Step 4. Unplug the flex cable connector in place. Step 5. Remove the battery carefully. Step 6. Install the new battery properly. Step 7. Plug in the flex connector in place. Step 8. Place back the wireless charging coil bracket properly. Step 9. Install the screws in place. Step 10. Place the adhesive on the back cover frame contacts. Step 11. Install the back cover properly. Step 12. Test the charging capability. The battery is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.
I'm Miss Jackson.